Shot at some help now for people recovering from the winter floods around East Tennessee.
Days of rain in late February bringing flooding to communities all across our area. Well, yesterday we learned that homeowners, nonprofits and businesses would be eligible for loans from the Small Business Administration.
WATE 6 on your side reporter Blake Stevens visiting one of several outreach centers opening up today, looking at the process and how this effort aims to help for tonight's top story.
If you are still hurting from that February flooding and you live in Blount, Cock, Jefferson, Sevier, or Knox County, you can come to a couple locations this week in our area, including right here at Central High School, and ask the Small Business Administration for help.
Help is exactly why Teresa Bowman was first in line to apply for a disaster assistance loan. She's had months of dealing with damage left behind from the flooding, but it's all still fresh on her mind.
Scary. Very scary, very, very scary, and I've never seen so much water just rush in at one time. Whoosh, you know. And then mildew. I had to deal with the mildew.
We know no matter how big the disaster, whoever's been affected, it's a big deal to them. Okay, so part of our goal is to go and get outreach to those who have been affected, and if we can help in the form of a low-interest loan, that's what we're here to do.
SBA Disaster Assistance spokesperson John Frederick saying if you're approved, you could have a check-in as soon as 3 weeks. He also says if you saw damage, you should apply, even if you have insurance.
Because you may not have enough to reach your deductible, or you may not have enough to pay for that deductible. So some of those things that we can help you address here at the Disaster Loan Outreach Center.
In Bowman's case, she says she had insurance, but it didn't cover her basement flooding.
A lot of stuff got messed up. Memories, and and my grandkids be over there, and I want to make sure that mildew don't come back again. Like I said, I have to put new walls, new flooring, everything new.
That's why she's here asking for a low-interest loan to get her grandkids' playroom back to normal. While she says it will help, she isn't counting on the money to replace everything.
Some of it was my mother's stuff, personal items, sentimental items that couldn't be replaced. And pictures, that's what really hurt me, the pictures, yes.
So how much can you borrow and how much will you have to pay back? Well, that depends on your financial situation. The Small Business Administration offering interest rates as low as 2% for homeowners and as low as 4% if you own a business. In Knoxville, Blake Stevens, WATE 6 on your side.
All right, thank you, Blake. Now there's lots more to know about these loans.
Yeah, for example, everyone, homeowners may borrow up to $200,000 for repairing or replacing damaged real estate, and up to $40,000 will be available to homeowners and also to renters for damage done to personal property.
Also, loans are available to businesses worth up to $2 million for damaged property, inventory, and equipment. Now, keep in mind also that while the outreach centers will close July 2nd, the deadline for property damage applications is set for August 20th. And we posted more details from the Small Business Administration for you. Go to WAT.com or open our free news app and click the As Seen On section.